back to my channel. If y'all are new here, it's your girl Ashleegenae. While y'all here, like this video, subscribe because y'all clicked on it for a reason, and let's get into this video. I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, and if y'all want to see how I did so, you know what look we are going to do today, but we're gonna do something real simple, something real cute, since the last looks I've been posting on here has been very bold, dramatic, festive. So we gonna tone it down this week, and we're gonna give you something very mellow tone, very summer friendly. And I'm gonna be using this Becca Muse palette, and she is a black owned cosmetic line company, and I will list her information on the screen, and I will also list it in the description box below. Y'all, this has literally been my go-to palette. Look at these colors. Yes, the whole B.Simone situation. I'm really feeling some type of way that people really tried to cancel her. I'm taking up for her and I'm defending her as if I know her, but she just gives me very welcoming and open-hearted spirits when I watch her videos, and I really do believe that life is all about experiences, and I talk about this a lot in a lot of my videos, but it's so true. She had to go through this experience right now, and with her next book, I already know it's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be bomb. And it's going to be even better than this one. Now she knows what to do, how to handle certain situations, the type of precautions to make when doing something like that. And my thing is, people don't be worried. It's like, see, just like me, nobody worry about me now and what I gotta say, because I don't have a certain status yet. Wait until the wealth comes, wait until the status comes, and all of a sudden my opinion and anything that I do all of a sudden matters to the next person. This season is the season of growth, visualization, because we're seeing things that we haven't seen. This is the season of action. This is the season of speaking up. I really do think that this time away from everything, this time, everything that's not adding any purpose to your life, cut it out. Cut it out. I'm a very spiritual person, so I literally pray about everything. Me and God, we be having our own conversation throughout the day, 24/8, okay? 24/8. And a lot of times prayer is what gets me through most of my problems. Prayer. Like, I've been praying for the world. Y'all, this palette is everything, okay? Y'all don't see me over here swiping it up. Swiper no swiper. So if y'all don't know, I'm currently in school. I'm getting my esthetician license, and I will be providing facials and skin enhancement and all that. And it's crazy how our journey works and how different people are designed for different things. And I just remember starting my makeup career, I used to compare myself to all these different people who wasn't aligned with what I had going on. And I'm gonna actually do a video on the mistakes that I've learned throughout my makeup career, so y'all won't make the same ones. So that video will probably be posted after this one. I did a whole bunch of do nots in my makeup career, but anyway, I would get a lot of people always coming to me just with skin concerns. I remember this one black woman, she was leaving church, it was a Sunday, and she was just wanting to come and buy some new products. And she was just telling me how she had a appointment with a esthetician in the area, and she was just saying how it's been hard for her to find a black esthetician who loves their job, who's knowledgeable about their field, and can actually help with hyperpigmentation and any skin conditions that they might be battling with. I felt like after that, God was sending me signs back to back to back of maybe people who have been in esthetician school and finished, he would send me people with their own salon. I was thinking about it. So after that, I think I kind of procrastinated and prayed on it for about 2 months or so, and I enrolled. I had visited a couple different places, and I ended up enrolling, and I have been enjoying it ever since, because not only am I going to be able to provide makeup services for people, but I'm going to be able to tackle any problems they might have before that makeup application. Because what's set up for you is always going to be for you. You won't be able to pass it up unless you all behind somebody else's backyard looking at what they got going on and how their grass growing. You can't even smell the flowers and roses that's growing over there in your backyard. I just think it's time for us just to expand our knowledge in different areas. Like, honestly, before this even happened, I wasn't really too knowledgeable about the Black economic system and the Black Wall Street, and I think it's okay for you to not know now, but what are you doing to enlighten yourself? So y'all try to read. If y'all don't like reading, listen to a whole lot of stuff, videos, podcasts on things that could expand your horizon. Okay, so now moving forward to my face. For some reason, I've been doing this technique where I apply my concealer first, and then I'll do my contour, and then after I blend that out, I'll do my foundation. Whenever y'all are working with anything around your eyes, pat. Please don't pull. And this concealer by ColourPop is so pigmented. I don't need much. Put a little bit on the forehead, since the forehead is out today, honey. She didn't come to play. I love this concealer by Estee Lauder. Before I found out what was going on, everything, but it's just like, are y'all really gonna stop supporting these brands? Cause everybody love them some MAC Cosmetics, and Estee Lauder owns a lot of brands that we love. So y'all just gonna cancel them like that? I do want to support and buy more Black products. I'm thinking about ordering the Moon Cosmetics Black their facial oils. She had hit $1 million in her business, I think under a minute. There's a lot of Black YouTubers, Black creators that I like to watch. Bougie Barbie doing her thing, Mocha Princess. There's a lot of Black YouTubers that I watch faithfully because they just some young bosses, and it's women younger than me that's doing the dang thing. I just want to thank everybody who are hustling towards their dreams. Thank you to the people who have never gave up, who constantly had faith, who let God lead their business to the way that where it is now. And thank y'all for posting y'all journey, because the people that have made it from the bottom up, people that have worked hard their entire life to build the careers that they have now, I personally thank y'all, because it's helping me to become the person that I am. I want to start implementing skincare tips with y'all. If y'all are a person who loves skincare, a homemade mask, how to identify your skin type, see like a skincare series on my channel, let me know. Y'all know when you get your hair done and every movement gotta be a shake or a bounce. That's how I be feeling. Shoot, y'all makeup and hair, the way you dress, how you style yourself, man, that plays a big part in your emotions and how you are going to go on about the day. My old faithful RCMA powder, and it's still a lot in here. My sister, she's darker complexion, and she loves this RCMA powder. She said this powder don't flash back on her, don't turn her white. Maybelline Fit Me Blush and Berry. Real Techniques got some good brushes. Next, I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and just put that in my waterline. And then I'm gonna go in with that purple shade I use on my lid. My little lash is kind of long. Wait a minute. Little caterpillars out here trying to grow. I do the same little 1-2 for my lips because this is my go-to lip colors. I be thinking I be buying different lip colors, but I come home and it be the same shade. Y'all help me out. Sure, y'all let me know what y'all think. What lip color might look good on me. Oh, I'm using this NYX lip liner pencil in Downtown Beauty. Okay, then I'm going to use the NYX matte lipstick S29. and don't have a name on here. And these matte lipsticks are not really matte. They're more like a creamy matte. Hello? Girl, hold on. Wait a minute. Let me let the hair down. Let me have the hair down. Yeah, baby, we over here looking like something now. This is the final look. Something real short, simple for me, and I hope this was easy for y'all to follow along with as well. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. Like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye y'all.